these gadgets. And I'm cooking with these gadgets. I'm going to use this bag. You know, it's just another gadget. Cooking with these gadgets. 45 minutes. And we'll see what if the skin starts to crisp. So y'all know I just got this gadget. This is cooking in the kitchen with gadgets.
Pumpkin, you in the kitchen?
Yeah.
I just want to let you know that pumpkin cake was excellent.
Baby, it's an orange cake, but I know it's orange, so.
I thought it was a pumpkin cake. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's for the fall. You right, you about right, but you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was excellent. I loved it.
Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Watching, take care. And until the next episode of Cooking with These Gadgets. Thanks for watching.